welcome to Rhonda Said. Wow, that was a wheeze. Oh, welcome to the Ohio Valley. That's right, I'm in the Ohio Valley, and I am Rhonda and I love saying things. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the chat. I hope you're having a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. I'm on the way to 1,700 subscribers, and once I reach that goal, I will be having an enormous, ginormous giveaway with fancy stuff like Pat McGrath and other high quality objects of makeup and skincare. So stay tuned for that. Today, from my BoxyCharm Luxe, I am going to be using the Natasha Denona. Oh, look at that reflection of my phone in the anyway, the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. So we're gonna give this a look. It is gorgeous. It's gonna make some beautiful looks, and we're gonna do one of those looks today. But before that, we like to do magic swatches. Why are they magic? Because I go like this. Bam! There are swatches. That's the whole palette right there, starting down here, and it's beautiful. It looks great with my skin tone. I am gonna wipe it off though, because I don't want to get it off over my new shirt. It says the world is a vampire. You know, Smashing Pumpkins. Despite all my rage, I am still just a rat in a cage. The world is a vampire, and it's vampire season if you're into Halloween and spooky things, which I am. Black cat, watch out. Good luck, not bad luck. We love black cats. I've got 2 black cats. No waiting. In a gray and an orange. So I've got all the Halloween colors covered with my cats. That's 4 cats in total, if you did not know. So let's get in here and do a pretty look. Balance right here is going to be in the crease. Oh, it's really beautiful. It's very pigmented. I went in very light because I don't want to. I want to build on my look. That's very beautiful. It's a great crease color. Just trying to keep it light, keep it airy, because I'm going to be having a very goth look coming up in one of my next videos, because I'm going to a big goth night this weekend, and I'm going to record the makeup because it's going to be off the chain. I'm not going to draw like an ankh on my face. What's an ankh? It's a symbol for eternal life for the Egyptians. I'm not drawing pentagrams on my face or spider webs or anything like that, but it's going to be a beautiful dark look. We love it dark and spooky. Anyway, now I need to decide which way I want to go. Since I went with the most neutral color, I can go warm over here, or I can kind of go a little bit cool over here. It's actually all pretty warm, but you know, these are the greens over here and the blues, and I just can't hardly decide. I think I'm gonna go warm and then pop in this olive green. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go into Aura, which is a beautiful peachy color. It's very pretty. It's almost like, oh, it's a little darker than, it's almost a coral without the brightness. We're loving this. So pretty. And then when I pop in that olive green on the outside, it's going to make my eyes look extra green. And I'm always into making my eyes look extra green, for sure. Oh, this is looking so sweet. And today, when this video is going up, the Hocus Pocus movie, Hocus Pocus 2, will already be out. Did you like it? I still have the Hocus Pocus palette coming from ColourPop. It takes them forever to ship things unless you're on PR. And I'm never on PR because I am what they call a micro channel. But I love it just the same. I've been doing this over 3 years and I just adore doing makeup and talking about makeup and things like that. All right, so I'm gonna go in my inner corner with Yama. It's darker than I expected. It's got a green shift to it though. It's still pretty. It looks kind of all the same. I was really hoping for this to turn out a little bit lighter so I could get a little brightness on my lid. But this is going to be a very monochromatic look until I put that pop of olive on there. It's going to be stunning. Stunning. So I'm going to go into that olive color Zeal right here. Oh, that's making my eyes pop. Oh, wow. That is some drama. I definitely need a highlighter today. So I'm going to grab a highlighter and put it on my cheeks and in my inner corner. Which one shall I choose? I have a bazillion highlighters. This is one of my very favorites. It's Star Island from Ofra. And if you get in close, you can see that I've used it quite a bit. So I'm going to get this highlight brush and put it on my cheeky cheeks. Nice soft shine. Ooh, you can really see it there. Now I'm going to get a little pointy brush and swipe it around. Put it in the inner corner, which really brightens up the whole look. Wow, it really opens the eye up. That Star Island is fantastic. Now I'm going to do liner and mascara and I'll be right back. And voila, we have such a beautiful look here with the Zendo palette. And the liner and mascara really pull it together. It's very amazing. My cats are climbing all over this room and acting like cuckoo kittens. And for my lip, Louie, stop it. He's not going to stop. I'm going to use, oh Lord, what's he doing? Louie, stop. He's not going to stop. I'm going to use Gerard Cosmetics Supreme Lip in can't even read this. Let me put my glasses. This is pitiful. So pitiful. Man eater. She's a man eater. Whoa, here she comes. A dark lip will look really great with this. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I'm gonna blot it. And that looks fantastic. So this is a great look. I'm glad to have put it together. It's a super great look for the fall. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.